know K8 weather.
So we're watching the storm system on Sunday, set to bring us rain. It's going to be a little volatile down to the south, a little bit of a problem to the north, and hopefully we're right there in the middle with just some boring old rain, because we are starting to see that threat for severe storms move a little farther to the north. But as I mentioned earlier, the big story may end up being what's behind this storm system. So a quick summary of what's going to happen on Sunday. We've got rain coming in. We've got a winter storm developing to our north. We're likely to continue to see winter storm watches being issued and some warnings. Severe weather down to the south, Louisiana, eastern parts of Texas, parts of Mississippi. And if you notice, that line has been nudging a little farther to the north. Like I said, I'm hoping we're right here in the middle, needing to just have just some plain old rain. After that, the temperatures are going to drop. As we go through the day tomorrow, clock is up here, not bad. Temperatures are going to be in the afternoon, the mid 40s. We'll have a little bit of a wind, so the wind chill, which is the number you see here on the right, not that much different from what we'll have for the air temperatures. So the wind chill in the afternoon at times will go into the upper 30s. Now fast forward this into Saturday. Temperatures will be in the 30s, kind of cold in the afternoon. Clouds holding us down a little bit before that surge of warm air comes in on Sunday's storm system. So Sunday, obviously, wind chill is not an issue. In fact, we're going to be seeing some temperatures going as high as low 60s in some spots. But look what happens as we go into Monday afternoon. We'll have temperatures in the mid 20s with the wind chill down there around 10 degrees. We're looking at 6 a.m. wind chill temperatures to be right around 11, maybe single digits as you head into the Ozarks. So that's going to be brutal. So let's talk about wind chill for a minute. A lot of people wonder, okay, what is this whole feels like temperature about? Well, our body, in order to lose heat, it is convection. It goes away from your body and into the air. Now, typically, if there's not much wind, that warm air stays right around our body. So if we have a temperature of 20 degrees and we have no wind, then we have a feels like temperature of 20. So there's no issue there. But things start changing as the wind kicks up. When the wind kicks up, let's say we have a 20 mile per hour wind like we're going to have on Monday. That air temperature of 20 feels a lot colder because that 20 mile per hour wind is blowing any of that heat away from your body. So this helps speed up the heat loss, making it feel much colder. So that's when the single digit wind chills start coming about. Now, I don't think we'll see wind chills of 4 through most of Region 8, but through the Ozarks, it's a possibility. Tonight, pretty quiet, not nearly as cold just yet. Got some clouds, got a few sprinkles up here around Branson. We don't have rain in the forecast. I really think that's going to fizzle out as it moves in. We're pretty quiet, but you can see the wind blowing around just a little bit out there. So our storm system is northwest right now. It's going to be diving down to the southeast. Warm front comes through, and that's the dividing line between the winter storm and the rain down to the south. That moves on through, and then the cold air comes in. Now, there may be a brief period where we see a few flurries on the back side of it. 8-day forecast, we're going to highlight Sunday for the rain and some mix in Missouri, and then the brutal wind chills on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday don't get much better. The wind eases back a little bit, but 30 on Tuesday, 31 Wednesday, still mid-30s on Thursday and Friday. That's some really cold air coming in for next week.
Definitely. After 60s in December, we're getting down now into the really wintry cold.
Indeed.
Thank you, Ryan.